Hey, it's the Bargain Bounty Hunter. I got an Amazon package, another kid's toy. Let's take a look at it and see what's inside. Here's the package, and let's check out what's inside. Here it is. This is the INNOCHEER Ocean Toys with Kids Playmat. So what is this set? Well, it's kind of similar. I don't know if you'll remember, or if you saw the video I did a couple weeks ago on the dinosaur playmat by Tepsmigo. This is a similar set, except instead of being dinosaurs, it has ocean animals. It's supposed to include a playmat for kids to play on. Also, it includes 12 ocean animals and 3 ocean plants, and then they can play around. So let's check out and see what this set's all about. Opens up here right from the back. Box empty. It has another carrying case, so just like the Tepsmigo dinosaur toy, this has a carrying case as well, and unzips. And here are some of the ocean animals that we have inside. Whales, a shark, dolphin, seal, stingray, seahorse, a lobster, a walrus, octopus, crab, sea turtle, starfish. And then there's these little, they're plastic, almost look like inserts that would go in the aquarium, at the bottom of the aquarium, but I guess you can place these around on the play mat for your kids to play with. Let's take a look at the mat. The playmat is made out of a similar material to the playmat of the dinosaur one. It's a fabric-y cloth. It's printed with a design of the ocean on one side. The other side is just plain white. So what we're gonna do is, well, let me tell you the specifics about this set right here. This is by INNOCHEER, and it was $21.99, $21.99. It was an Amazon Prime item, and it was a brand new item, so there's no stars, there was no star rating yet. It was really quick to get here. I ordered it 2 days ago. It got here in 2 days, so nice. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do is I'll set this up, and I'll let my son, when he wakes up from his nap, take a shot at playing with this. I'll get some video of that, and then I'll discuss my thoughts on it afterwards. So let's go to that. So what did I think? Well, he seemed to be having a good time with it. Saw his reaction. I like that the plastic animals, the fish and stuff like that, the marine animals, they all seem to be pretty good quality. Nothing that he's gonna break or destroy. So that's good. Just one thing though, it does recommend ages 3 to 12. My son's 2, a little over 2. So, but I think with everything that was included, he's not gonna have any problem. There was really nothing that was a choking hazard. The only thing I would say is if your kid chews, if they chewed a piece off, they could swallow that. But my son doesn't really do that, so I think he'll be all set. So yeah, so I think that's everything. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe, leave a like. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. And thanks for watching, and until next time, enjoy your summer and stay safe.